Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a group photo on Adobe Express. So first thing, you need to go on Adobe Express, then open up a design. Example purpose, I open up a design. So here is the type of go to media, then I type dog, then view all, then I select this photo, this photo, this photo, and this one. Then I import 4 dog photo in Adobe Express. So I want to keep art here. Okay, example of this is my group photo. So I want to create a group right now. So just click on Control, then click on A. You can see select all, then go to this tab group. Just click on OK. Once you have create on, this is a group done. So this is a method. Just go to download button, then download as a PDF, PNG, JPG, etc. So this is a method you can create a group on Adobe Express. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.